Now here we are having some high order thinking skills questions that needs discussion. Clear? The first question arises here. AD is never zero even when Y is zero. Why? AD refers to aggregate demand, bache. The question is asking, even when we are earning no income, still our aggregate demand cannot be zero. How is it possible? It is possible because some expenditure is always essential for survival. That means for survival, for living, we need to do some expenditure. Clear? This is incurred even when income is zero. Means even when we are earning nothing, still we have to incur such expenditure. It means if we are not earning any money, it does not mean we will not live, because for living, for survival, we need to do some expenditure. Clear? Like on food, on shelter, on clothing, etc. These are the essential requirements. Clear? And the expenditure on these things is done either by using the past savings, the savings which we have in the past, or by borrowings. Clear? By any of these we can do the expenditure for our survival. Clear? So even if income is zero, our aggregate demand could never be zero, because still we are demanding goods because we need to survive. Clear? The second question here is, according to Keynes was the economist who have propounded macroeconomics. Clear? And also at that time when macroeconomics was propounded, there was excess capacity into the economy. Means the factors of production are idle, they were not having work. So when the macroeconomics was propounded, then it was thought that in the economy there is a situation where we can increase the supply, because we are having factors of production which can be used to increase the supply. That situation is known as excess capacity. Clear? So question here is, according to Keynes, price has no role to play as a determinant of AS. Why? We know that supply and price both are interlinked, but according to Keynes, price have no role to play as a factor of aggregate supply. We have to explain this point, why it is so. This is because that owing to the excess capacity in the economy, means supply can be increased. Clear? There is a proportionate rise in aggregate supply as and when there is any rise in AD. Means whenever the aggregate demand will increase, due to the excess capacity of the economy, we can increase the aggregate supply accordingly. This is because due to the excess capacity situation, we are assuming that we have various factors of production with us. We are having raw material, we are having labors which can be used to increase the supply. Clear? That is a situation of excess capacity. So whenever aggregate demand will increase, aggregate supply would also increase accordingly. Clear? It will not lead to a situation of inflation, because if demand increases and supply not increases, only then price rises. Clear? But here supply is increasing in accordance with the aggregate demand. Clear? So therefore the price level will remain constant in the economy. Clear? So price level will not affect the aggregate supply. Reason being, with the increase in demand, aggregate supply also increases, which leads to a constant price level in the economy. Means there will be no situation of inflation arises in the economy. Clear?